Hi, I'm Isa, the lead intern for Campus Dining, and this is Campus Dining 101, where you'll learn to order food at each of our dining facilities like a seasoned Oxy student. In this first episode, we'll show you how to order at the Marketplace, or the MP, which is our largest dining facility. You'll enter the MP through the stairway to the right of Rose Hills Plaza by the bookstore. You'll need to show your Oxy ID card and sanitize your hands as you enter. The Marketplace is open from 7:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. on weekdays, and on weekends starting at 10 a.m. For breakfast, we have many grab-and-go options if you're in a hurry, like the fruit and salad bar. This is also where we serve our hot oatmeal with a range of toppings for an extra charge. Across from the salad bar, we have pastries over at the bakery. From fresh croissants to muffins to zucchini bread, your sweet tooth will definitely be satisfied. For the savory breakfast eaters like me, we also have bagels and bread which you can toast in the toaster. We also have hot foods like eggs, potatoes, French toast sticks, bacon, and sausage. Check it out over at the grill. Our first beverage station has drip coffee, bagged tea, iced tea, and milk. This is also where our cold cereal is located. The other beverage station has a soda fountain and a Nescafe coffee machine. Both hot and cold beverages come in multiple sizes. The first hot food station you'll see is Homestyle. As the name implies, this station offers a complete homestyle meal that includes a protein, starch, and vegetables for a value price. Most days, offerings include meat and vegetarian options as well as gluten-free alternatives. You may not see all of these, but make sure to ask. The Sauté station also offers a variety of meals, including made-to-order pasta and stir-fry. On these days, select up to 4 different toppings, choose your sauce, and be sure to ask the cook for a gluten-free or vegan option. The Chef's Corner station typically offers a changing menu, which may include wood-fired pizza, Baja-style tacos, po' boy sandwiches, gluten-free tenders with fries, and more. As with the other stations, there are additional ingredients available by request if you have a dietary restriction. Now onto the grill station. When you get to the front of the line, place your order with the cook. They will give you a ticket stub with your number on it, which will be called out to the left side of the station. Or if you'd prefer, take your pick of the pre-made options on display. Up next is the sandwich bar. This station offers made-to-order sandwiches, either full or half. When called forward, select your choice of bread, your spread, your protein, your cheese, and any condiments. Specialty salads are also available by waiting in the sandwich bar line. We offer a wide variety of prepackaged snack and beverage options. These are found in and on the displays throughout the servery, the beverage merchandisers, and the open-air refrigerator across from the Chef's Corner. We encourage the use of trays when collecting larger quantities of items, making it easier to transport them to the cashier and to prevent spillage. If you do happen to have a spill, please do not attempt to clean it yourself. Notify dining staff immediately so that the spill can be cleaned. Also, be sure to keep an eye out for Real Food Challenge items that are labeled with these signs. When you're checking out with the cashier, make sure to have all items visible for purchase and keep to-go containers open. Once instructed to do so, present your own ID card and swipe. Promptly exit the servery and stop for any other condiments or utensils on your way out. There are plenty of places to sit and enjoy your meal after you've purchased it. The first seating location you'll see as you exit the Marketplace is the Gresham Dining Room. However, as we are trying to minimize the indoor dining capacity as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, we encourage you to eat outside on the Bronca patio, at the Rose Hills Plaza, in your residence halls, or at the new picnic furniture in the olive grove next to the cooler. You can also sit on the academic quad or on the cooler lawn. At the end of your meal, please be sure to dispose of your trash in the correct bins as designated by the green, gray, and blue signs located around campus. Campus Dining is so excited to welcome students back to campus. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll teach you how to order at the cooler.